So today's video is going to be a barbecue review, and today we are going to be reviewing the Beefeater Proline 6-burner. This is an awesome grill, so if you are looking for a built-in barbecue or you're just interested in this one in particular, this is the video for you. So let me tell you a little bit about this barbecue. This is the Beefeater, it's part of the Proline series. So there are two barbecues in the Proline series, the hooded version and the flat lid version. Obviously the hooded version has got this hood. The flat lid version is just a much lower profile lid that just lifts up. Obviously, these are not like normal barbecues. They're not big enough to have rotisseries or anything like that. It's mainly for direct cooking, where you're cooking directly above the burners. It's not for cooking where you would have the hood down and in more of like the oven sense, if you like. So there's two different versions. There is also the Proline side burner as well that goes with these, and that matches it. So if you wanted, a hob on the side and a Proline, that's another option for you. They all match. These are available in propane gas and or natural gas as well. It's worth noting also that these are not available in trolley versions. They can only ever be built in. So taking a look at the outside here on the hooded version. So this is commercial grade stainless steel, 304 stainless steel. You can see the hood there. It's very robust. Here you've got the thermometer to let you know what the temperature is inside the grill. Here you've got the four quartz ignition knobs. So you turn them on, you literally push, turn, and it lights. Let's open it up. So opening it up here, you have got a warming rack on the top here. You've got cast iron grills here. At the front of the barbecue here and here, you've got these two drip trays. So any grease or juices from your food comes down here, gets collected in here, and you can literally take them out and pour them away afterwards. With the cast iron grills, you have this one flat plate in the middle, and then you have the two griddles either side. The barbecue has got 6 burners in total. It's got one here, one there, and then 4 underneath the flat plate. You've got a warming tray at the back there. In terms of size, so this is just under 900 mil wide, about 880 mil wide by about 400 or 500 mil deep. I'm not sure what that is in inches. We'll put it up on the screen. It weighs about 65 kilos, and like I mentioned before, it's built in. So you would, if this was your outdoor kitchen, you would literally cut a hole in the top of your worktop and you would just drop it in there. So it's got stainless steel tubing burners underneath. So if you want to come and have a look at that, I'll take out the cast iron. That's really heavy, by the way, really good quality. Underneath here, you've got your deflector there. So that you'll notice on the sides where you've got the two grills, you have these deflectors underneath. So any fat and stuff from the juices from the food comes down, it'll hit those, it'll vaporize, it won't land on the burners. Underneath here, like I said before, there you've got like your stainless steel tubing burners there. So as you can see here in our showroom, we've got this set up in the Beefeater Fresco Pro outdoor kitchen. This is a really, really cool kitchen. It's customizable, so it comes in different modular units. You can change them around, move them around. It comes with worktops as standard, but you can change them and have your own ones if you want. There's a variety of different colors and materials and things that you can use as well. So if you want more information on that, just let us know. So hopefully that has given you insight into this barbecue. If you are, looking for a barbecue for your outdoor kitchen, this is definitely a good one to keep in mind. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We try and post one of these once a week. Hit the alert button. You'll get notified every time we bring out a new one. We also have Instagram, we have Facebook. Head over there and you'll be able to see what we are currently up to with our kitchen builds. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.